Have you guys ever tried McDonald's coffee on Keurig? I think they honestly have one of the best coffees. What's up, guys? Lately, I haven't been really posting any YouTube shorts of my live trades. First of all, I've been pretty busy with trying to move right now, so I'm just packing a lot of stuff, running some errands. Because of moving stuff, I just didn't really have time to trade a lot, and I really didn't have time to make a video and post last week. Another thing is that I've been actually trying to go back to the basics and really figure out what I wanted to do with trading. I've been trading seriously for about 4 months, 3-4 months now. I know in my shorts it says like day 230, something like that, but that's counting like, starting trading back last year of June, which technically I YOLO'd a lot of stuff, so I wouldn't really consider that me trading. But right now I've been, I don't want to say strategy hopping, but I've been searching and scouring the internet for different type of strategies. One of the famous ones are like ICT, price action, support and resistance, supply and demand. But I've been just really figuring out like, what do I really want to learn and stick with, something that I can stick with for the entire year and my trading career. Like, I really just don't want to be strategy hopping. I think that's one of the worst mistakes that a beginner can do, and I'm a beginner, so I thought I need to find one strategy that works for me and just stick with it. And let me tell you this, the title of this video is probably going to be something like there is no best day trading strategy, because the truth is there really isn't a best day trading strategy. For example, like ICT, he is one of the most popular strategy mentor, guru, or whatever you want to call it right now on YouTube. If you ask like Wall Street guys or any of the veteran day traders, they don't even know who ICT is until you come to YouTube. So only in the YouTube guru space, I think ICT is huge, but that doesn't mean he's a scammer or anything like that, because his concepts are derived from what's already been working in the markets for many years and generations. He just repackaged that to like smart money concept or whatever you call it. Anyway, that's besides the point. But if you take any strategy, I feel like once you stick through it and really master it, that's when you start becoming profitable. Right now, that's why I've been really just trying to figure out, do I want to go with ICT? Do I just want to stick with like supply and demand, volume profile strategy, delta, whatever, order flow, book map? There are so many things out there. And you know what? I actually spent the last 2 weeks literally researching the internet for the best strategy. Like, trust me, you don't have to do the research because I've already done it for you. So if you're a beginner, just trust my words. There is no best strategy. Just stick to one because they all work. Support and resistance, trend lines, people say it doesn't work and they're like, oh, ICT is the best. That's bullshit. People who believe retail traders or supply and demand works and ICT is a scam, that's also bullshit, because I've seen so many ICT traders being profitable. So the biggest question is, which strategy do I want to go with? In my last video, I strictly said that I wanted to go back to the basics and I wanna trade the price action. Naked charts, nothing on the chart. I want to be able to trade just basics, support and resistance, supply and demand, and really just scalp these moves that happens from level to level, because market moves from levels to levels and that's all there is. I think one of the biggest challenge of day trading is the entries. To be honest, like, you can analyze the charts, you can find the levels very easily. Anyone can find support and resistance, but the problem is, how do you enter? Like, there's so many false breakouts that happen that you get stopped out on, and I think that's one of my biggest problem that I faced. So for now, I think, not for now, actually, no, scratch that. Not for now. I will be sticking with support and resistance throughout the rest of this year. So if you are a beginner like me, I really recommend that if you're strategy hopping right now, just stop what you're doing and just pick one strategy and stick with it. Just document, journal the trades, and really just hone in on that strategy, because there is no golden strategy. Besides all that, I've actually been working on a side project for my channel. I've actually made a website that you can compare all the prop firms. I don't know if you've seen my previous video where I made an Excel spreadsheet that you can compare all the different prices of various platforms, and I just wanted to make it a little more cleaner and simpler to look at, so I did make a website where you can compare all the prop firms in a glance, and you can pretty much sign up with a discount. It's a benefit for everyone, I feel like, because you want to get the best deal out there, because all the prop firms essentially they're the same, like they're pretty much there to rob you. I'm kidding, but if you're profitable, you can rob them. Just check it out in my description. It's asianhustle.com. That's Asian with AHN, which is my last name, so asianhustle.com. Go check it out. I highly recommend looking on a desktop rather than mobile, because the comparison table doesn't really look proper on the mobile version. I will see you guys in the next video, and I'll definitely be posting more shorts this coming week after I move. Maybe this week I'll move. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.